There we go. All right. Oh, there we go. Well, yeah, it's five for us, but it's not. No, the 5. You got to turn the. No. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. Yeah. Well, it's backwards in the picture, but that's okay because we can see Hadia. Is everybody ready for happy birthday? Is everybody ready for happy birthday? Let's turn the lights off. Emma, look behind you. Yeah. Jazz, can you lead us off like you did before? We gotta close the door too. You sure? I think we'll be okay. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hadia. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. You have to get a little closer. Stand up on the table.
To laugh.
She wants. Put a little more spit on the cake.
This is when you get water on you. You can't blow.
Wait, get closer to the candle. Put your hands on the table. And now come on closer. Closer. Yeah. Say I love you, Mama and Papa. Ah, there we go. Now we all right.